Assalamu everybody, this is my 29 algorithm video, and in this video we will be finding the second smallest and the smallest number in the list. So I make a variable of smallest number and I give it a value of positive infinity. I also make second variable of second smallest number and also give it a value of positive infinity. Then I make a for loop for I in list of numbers. If I is smaller than your smallest number, I do second smallest number is equal to smallest number and I assign I to the smallest number. If I is smaller than your second smallest number and I should not be equal to your smallest number. So why have I written this statement? So basically, let me explain. Smallest number and second smallest number. So in the first iteration you can see 1 would come in I and 1 is smaller than the positive infinity, so 1 would be assigned a value of to smallest number, and the smallest number, that is float infinity, would be assigned a value to the second smallest number. Fine. Now in the second iteration 2 is smaller than the second smallest number, so 2 would be assigned to the second smallest number. Now in the third iteration 1 is not smaller than the second smallest number, but 1 is definitely smaller than the second smallest number, so 1 would be assigned to the second smallest number. However, this would be a mistake because both the numbers cannot be smallest and the second smallest number simultaneously. So we need to put in the condition that if I is smaller than the second smallest number, and I should not be equal to your smallest number. Fine. Now coming back to the algorithm, so if I is smaller than the second smallest number and I is not equal to the smallest number, we assign I to the second smallest number. Now if I print the smallest number and I print second smallest number, so the smallest number is 1 and the second smallest number is 2. Now if I change the question to 2, 4, 3, 5, 6, now the smallest number in this list is 2 and the second smallest number is 3. I hope you liked the video. Please share, like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you very much.